Hello and welcome to the Geek Garage. One thing I love to nerd out about is safety. So today I'm going to review the RZ M2.5 filtration mask. Let's check it out. Now, there's a wide variety of masks available on the market. Everything from these N95s, which are great for dust, sanding, coronavirus.
Bad news, General. The virus has gone airborne.
We have the heavy-duty respirators with replaceable cartridges.
Let the games begin!
And even Halloween masks.
Your money's insured, so it's not worth dying for.
And then we have the RZ reusable mask. Now these have replaceable filters with 3 different levels of protection depending on your needs. And they're great for everyday use, so let's open it up and check it out. All right, so let's get to it. What's in the box? Here we have it. There is a little welcoming card here. Share the clean air. There's a coupon code on back. I'll put it in the description below. We have your user's guide, which shows you how to properly put the mask on and adjust it for your face, as well as how to replace the filters. It comes with a nice little carrying case. This is to protect your mask and keep the dust off of it when you're not using it. The zipper on here has a little carabiner clip, so you can hang this up in your workplace. And on the end of it here is a little tool that you use to remove the valve when you're replacing the filters. Obviously we have the mask itself. It's a nice, soft, comfortable nylon material, very breathable. Inside there is a filter that comes with it. There's your valve connectors. And the filter has this nice little soft nose guard there, which is right where the metal adjustable clip is for comfort. The straps on here are a nice, soft, kind of stretchy strap. It also comes with these rubber texturized grippy straps, which you can replace them with. And you get an extra filter. This is the F1 active carbon filter. So you get 2 filters, 2 extra straps, carrying case, user's guide, and a coupon code for your friends. All right, time to check this puppy out. So as you can see, I got mine in this really cool TARDIS blue. Now they have a bunch of different colors and prints on their website, so peruse the selection and pick the one that fits your personality the best. And this is the extra large size. Now originally I ordered a large, but it was a little too small and kind of uncomfortable, and I wasn't getting the full coverage that's necessary. So I emailed them to see if I could do an exchange. They said no problem. I sent it back. They sent me a new one. A+ customer service. But let's try it on and see how it feels. There's no graceful way to do this, so I apologize. Okay. All right. So first impressions, there's definitely some Mortal Kombat vibes here. The design is very reminiscent of Sub-Zero, Scorpion, Reptile, even Smoke. Yeah, the fabric is really soft and comfortable. These straps are really easy to adjust without having to take the mask off, which is great. Kind of just reach in here and pull these buckles a little tighter. The metal nose clip adjusts too if you need to adjust there. But yeah, I definitely feel like I'm breathing through the valves and not the edges of the mask, which is very important. But let's put it to a little test and throw these safety glasses on and see if it fogs up. And no, it feels pretty good. There's no fogging happening, and I think once you really dial it in and get it tightened up, it's gonna be perfect. But let's go test it out in the shop first. So after a day of performing various tasks in my wood shop, what I found was I was very happy with this mask. It was very comfortable to wear, almost to the point where I forgot I had it on. Unlike those paper N95 masks with the one size fits nobody rubber bands that are usually really irritating around the ears and neck, this one was adjustable. I was really able to dial it in for comfort, and once I got it to the right settings, it was a good seal and I didn't get any fogging in my safety glasses. So there you have it. I was very happy with how this mask performed in the field. This 2-strap system was great. It kept the mask in place and firmly against my face, providing a proper seal, so I always felt like I was breathing through the filter and not through the edges of the mask. I wasn't getting any fogging in my glasses, which is key because if you can't see what you're working on, that's not very safe. I loved how comfortable and soft it is, that you can replace different filters in there. They have their F1, which is the active carbon filter, your F2, which is it doesn't have any carbon in it, but it's a high flow electrostatic filter, and then your F3, which is a combination of the two. It's the high flow and the active carbon. So there's always a filter for the job that you need, and it comes with a bunch of accessories, which is always a great bonus, like extra straps, extra filters, and that little carrying case is perfect because I see so many people just throwing their masks in their bag or hanging it in the shop, and it collects dust and dirt, and that defeats the whole purpose of having the mask. So throw it in the carrying case, zip it up, you're good to go. Definitely recommend this product. Geek Garage approved. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot of geek-centric builds coming very soon, everything from Harry Potter, Doctor Who, Back to the Future. So please subscribe and stay tuned.